So, your new skateboard finally arrived. And if you're anything like me, you'd rather look at this picture of this squirrel than read a manual. But there's still some things you gotta know about your board. Well, sit tight, and in the next 2 minutes, you will. First up, charge your remote before you ride. Turns out, if your remote is about to die during your ride, the only function that will work is your brakes. And then you're stuck kicking an electric skateboard like a doofus. Number 2, your board is charging when the red light on your power supply is on, even if the board shows it's at 100%. At this time, the cells are actually balancing, and you might notice your power supply gets a little bit warmer. You don't want to take it off until the light is green. Also, once your board is finally charged, don't immediately go take it down a giant hill. The regenerative braking could overcharge the battery and cause the board to cut out. Number 3. This really should be number 1, and it goes without saying, but wear a helmet. Here's a short list of reasons why. Number 4. If you're not going to be using your board for a while, make sure to leave it between 70 and 75%. That's the correct voltage to leave your board stored at. Also, make sure not to leave it in a really hot place. Number 5. Most of these boards are going to have the same remote functionality. Press the status button to go through the acceleration modes. Then, hold back on the brake and press the status button to go through the braking modes. Next, your remote actually has a cruise control function. Put the throttle where you want it, and then tap the power button, and that will lock its position. Your board also has reverse. Double tap the power button to get into it, and double tap it again to go back to forward. If you want to change the remote from kilometers to miles per hour, start with the remote powered off, then hold down the status and power button at the same time. Then you can scroll through it with the wheel. You can also change the wheel speed if you upgrade your hubs to bigger or smaller diameters. Mine are 100 millimeters and the wheel speed of 64 is correct. And lastly, we have a service note that this Monday and every Monday henceforth shall be known as Maintenance Monday, where you check every nut, every screw, and every bolt on your board to make sure that you're good. I just want you guys to be safe and have fun with this. So yeah, it's a small thing you could do. Maintenance Monday. Right on, guys. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and share it with a friend. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks. Later.